Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Evelyn Pasqua. I'm 40 years old. I'm in the Philippines. I have a newborn baby in 18 years old. I have a experience in Kuwait in 3 years and 6 months contract. I know how to household chores to take care of baby, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, cook, and I know how to prepare food for children, chicken fried, omelette, boiling egg, and I know how to cook Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food. Ma'am, sir, I hope you choose and give me opportunities in your family. That's